Here we have a rolling lawn aerator. Do a quick unboxing, assembly, and then show her in use. Get all the plastic off everything. There we go. So assembly, looks like it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Comes with all of the hardware that you need. So once they're hand tight, just get your little wrench and Allen wrench. Add your handle. And exact same thing. You got your plug right here, you got your key, slides right in here, so you can unscrew it. Instructions say this is for sand only. We're gonna try it without sand first and see what happens. Like I said, it's been wet the past couple of days, so it may work without it. Or I will add sand, and I'll just take it from the kids' sandbox. We'll take it outside and show her in use. So I just try to do it real quick without any sand in it, and it is penetrating, but not as deep as I would like. So we're gonna go and steal some of the kids' sand from their sandbox and throw some more weight in there. All right, let's see what difference we made. It's a free workout too, depending on how you want to look at it. Really trying to focus on the dog path I got running through the yard right here. It's definitely doing what it's supposed to do. Now we're gonna go through where I actually have some grass growing. Probably also should have mowed this down a decent amount, but it is what it is. Show you the results even. Definitely gonna get some more nutrients down in the ground. And it's still penetrating. I can't really show it, but it's still penetrating even where there is grass. It would probably be wise to mow this down a decent amount though before you actually use it. I just wanted to trial it and see how well it worked. So there you have it. The rolling lawn aerator, definitely a workout. If it wasn't that bad before I added sand, but it wasn't getting quite as deep as I would have liked, so I added sand. Now it's more of a workout, so it's a 2-in-1. Aerate your yard and get a workout all at the same time. But yeah, it does exactly what it's supposed to do. There's really nothing else to say about it. Works great. I do like the wheels there, so you can actually turn around without butchering your yard, or you don't have to pick it up if you're trying to just get it from the garage to your yard. It rolls pretty smooth. So that's about all there is to it. It works like it's supposed to. Yeah.